Learn English with your Instill.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
I am good, and you?
I am good, and you?
I am fine, thank you.
What's your name?
My name is Donald. What's your name?
My name is Marie. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Marie, where are you from?
I'm from Japan. What about you?
I'm from France.
Where do you live?
I live in Paris, and you?
I live in Tokyo.
How old are you?
I am 20 years old, and you?
I am 24 years old. What do you do?
I am a student. What about you?
I work at hospital. Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have an older sister. Great. Do you like to travel?
Yes, I love traveling.
What is your favorite food?
I really like pasta.
Do you have any pets?
No, I don't have any pets.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I like to read books and watch movies.
What kind of music do you like?
I enjoy classical music.
Can you speak other languages?
Yes, I can speak Japanese and English.
Do you have cars?
Yes, I have a car.
What color is your car?
My car is red.
Do you know how to drive?
Yes, I know how to drive.
Do you go to home?
Yes, sometimes.
Do you have any friend?
I have a best friend who lives in Canada.
What does he do?
He's an engineer.
Where did you meet him?
I met him in college.
Was he brilliant student?
Yes, he was.
What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza.
Do you have a job?
Yes, I work as a teacher.
Can you play guitar?
No, I can't play the guitar.
Where did you go yesterday?
I went to the park.
What's the weather like?
It is sunny.
What did you eat for breakfast?
I ate eggs and toast.
How do you go to school?
I go to school by bus.
What's your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is The Lion King.
Do you like to travel?
Not too much.
What is your dream job?
My dream job is to be an astronaut.
Do you like sports?
Yes, I like playing football.
What did you do last weekend?
I went to the beach.
Where is the supermarket?
It is on the main street next to the bank.
Do you prefer tea or coffee?
I prefer tea.
How are you feeling today?
I am feeling a bit tired today.
Can you help me?
Yes, what do you need?
Where did you learn English?
I learned English at school.
How was your day?
It was good.
Do you need any help?
No, I am fine. Thank you.
What do you want?
I want a vacation.
Can I sit here?
Sure, it's free.
May I take it?
Sure, help yourself.
Do you mind?
Not at all.
Can I call you?
Sure, anytime.
Thanks for watching. Do like the video, share this to your friend, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.